thing I know is get them packs in. Don't ever let a nigga think you need him.
Hey y'all, it's me, Prettywitty77, and welcome back to another edition of the Deep Condish, where we condition our hair weekly while we get the dish on hip hop and pop culture. So yeah, get your conditioners out, sis, and let's chat. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and as always, y'all, go ahead and like this video all top up front, because you know how I do. Anyways, I'm going like I do always. I'm going to be deep conditioning on damp hair. It's freshly washed damp hair. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's dripping a little, just a little. My t-shirt dried it for a little while. And also, if you guys want to know what I'm deep conditioning with, go ahead and check the description box. So yeah, hopping right into this week's dish. Let's start out with the lovely fist pump news. So today in fist pump news, well, I can officially say that Black Panther came out, and it looks like the world is going crazy about it. I feel like it did some numbers in the UK. I didn't jot down exactly, but of course, you know, it's doing numbers worldwide. Still don't have that immediate urge to go out and prepay for a ticket and stuff like that, but you know, maybe someone's father will take me out on a date, and you know, I can do that. Yeah, so also shout out to Assad, DJ Khaled's little son. I'm pretty sure y'all know who that is, but he is going to be the first baby model for the Jordan brand, the Nike Jordan brand. Yeah, so congratulations to him. I feel like his resume is already like 10 times as long as my life span, so yeah. Get it. Also in fist pump news, have y'all seen Sierra's little girl? Now everybody know that Sierra been hiding this little girl from us forever. Okay, forever she's been hiding this little girl. But listen, she's so freaking cute. I seen the baby. I seen Sierra holding, well, I seen a baby. I seen the back of Sierra's head or something like that. And I was like, this is a cute baby. And when I read the caption, I screamed. I was like, ah! I don't know why I'm so excited about everybody else's kids, girl. But it was exciting. And I was like, oh my gosh, she's so freaking cute. She looks like the perfect blend of Russell and Sierra. She's so cute. And what is her name? Okay, Sienna. You know, I just feel so bad because I feel like I should know it, but I had that same problem growing up pronouncing. Okay, is it Vienna sausage or is it Vienna sausage? See, I have the same problem with trying to pronounce Sierra's little girl name. It's like I know one of them is the correct term, but I was just so country that we just pronounced it a different way in my household. I don't know, I guess somebody tried to read it and we just pronounced it wrong forever. I don't know. But anyways, the little girl, Cece, she's cute. Oh, her name is Cece, just like her mom. Yeah, she's so freaking cute. Anyways, I can't remember if I brought this up last week, but Gucci Mane gonna have his little biopic or biopic going on, and it really popped up because, you know, I've been into the Gucci autobiography, his book. Well, the audio book, that's what I kind of been listening to. It's okay. I feel like it's okay. I guess because, you know, the familiar names in the book. But I feel like Prodigy's autobiography was a little bit more interesting. It was so long, but it was like so, I don't know. Anyway, shout out to Guwap. And I think that's it for fist pump news. Oh, happy belated Valentine's to all of to all of y'all. Kind of, you know, kind of slipped up. But yeah, happy belated to all of you guys. I hope that you loved yourself first, you know, and allow somebody to love you second. Okay. So we're gonna slide right into the mess segment. And I think this is so funny. Okay, so y'all know it was some pictures floating around social media about Gladys Knight. Now they had a comparison picture of like her the Gladys Knight that we all kind of know, and then it was like a picture floating around of like her. It looked like she had got like plastic surgery or something. So she took it upon herself to address the issue. She addressed the issue in a post saying, oh, I just want to thank you know, God, that I've been eating, I'm not sure if these are the exact words, but I've been eating so clean, and it's, you know, kind of contributing to me looking all youthful. And shout out to my husband because he had my, did she say husband? Girl, I'm just giving y'all an idea of what went down. Well, kind of, I can't remember, it was a long paragraph, okay? And shout out to my makeup artist and my stylist who did a fabulous job today. And everybody sitting in the audience like, sis, like, you ain't gonna thank your doctor. Because like it's kind of obvious, but you know, you can't make anyone force them to themselves to tell you that they had surgery or whatever. So it's like, okay girl, you know, well, we see you, I mean, okay. We know that one of those stops on that midnight train was to the plastic surgery's office, but you know, I mean, and we just gonna skip over the facts. I'm Stevie Wonder, okay? Moving right along into the miss. Janine Aiko, girl, who knows? She finally came forward and said something about how her and the start of her and Big Sean came along. And basically, she said that she was dating. She was in a relationship and it wasn't going good. Big Sean asked her to a basketball game. She never sat courtside before, so she went as a friend. There was no kissing or no foul play involved, but sis, I hope not, it's the first date. But yeah, but then I guess she feel like she tried to justify the situation, like, oh, my boyfriend we weren't on good terms anyways, and he was married. She found out that he was secretly married later on. Okay, I can understand that, you know, finding out somebody who you with and devoted yourself to is married. That sucks. But sis, don't excuse the fact that you didn't even know that at the time you had a boyfriend, you went out with another dude. Like, I don't know. I'm not gonna sit up here and play Google Gaga with her and y'all bashing Kevin Hart for his whole situation. So whatever, okay? Literally whatever, okay? Moving right along into the next topic. Okay, so this is something that I find interesting. Kendrick Lamar is not going to be, I think he's going to stop people from using their cell phones in his concerts. So basically, you don't have to leave your cell phones at home. This is not a new concept because Prince, sorry guys. Okay, so Prince been doing this. Prince actually does this at a lot of his shows and concerts and any kind of appearance that he has, like private parties. You can't bring your camera in with Prince. Like, he always did that. And I think Alicia Keys also has that policy. I think it's good because it allows people to put their phones down and kind of like live in the moment, which is kind of what I've been doing with my morning routine and stuff. Let me know if you want to see that, comment below. So I feel like it's good to like have that moment, but I can also say that that's gonna be, it's not all the way positive, because I feel like a lot of things going on at concerts, fights, people jumping on stage, people being kicked in the face, or I don't know, stuff like that goes on at concerts. So if nobody can have their phone, then it's literally gonna be he say, she say. You know what I'm saying? But we've been able to catch a lot of things that happen at concerts because there's video footage, you know? So there's a pro and a con to banning it, I feel like. So yeah, how do you guys feel about that? Let me know. Also, I had one more thing that I wanted to ask and kind of get you guys' opinion on. So Amber Rose dyed her son's hair blonde. He always wanted his hair blonde, but she told him, you're kind of too young right now. I think he was 4, if I'm not mistaken. So she did a little patch. If you remember, he got that little blonde patch and it said he's like 4-year-old. So she was like, when you're old enough, and then, you know, we can try it. So he turned 5 or 6, I believe, I don't know. And she went ahead and dyed his whole head blonde. super cute. I love her child. I love how free he is. I like how she allows him to be himself. That's what I like about it. But how do you guys feel about that? Because some people were like, that's too much for a child. And I feel like if he requested it, then it's okay. But me personally, I would have used like something, not a dye or bleach. Dang, I just got sure. I would have used like something that could rinse out. You know what I'm saying? Something temporary. I wouldn't use anything to like permanently affect it. But nonetheless, he is a boy. And he keeps his hair not short, but kind of like a little hair on his head, so it'll be nothing to cut it off and start over, you know? Like, he's not gonna die from hair dye. So I want to know you guys' opinion on that topic. Leave it in the comment section, sis. I will be lurking. So moving right along to the last segment, the witty listens of the week. So I've been listening to a couple of songs off the Black Panther soundtrack, only because Kendrick Lamar produced it and they are so good. Also, Two Heartless, Moneybagg Yo's, I don't know if it's a mixtape or an album, but it came out literally yesterday, so I've been kind of getting, you know, a feel for that. Also, I'm still on my little jazz thing. I think I'm gonna be on jazz forever. Like, I'm officially old enough to do this forever, okay? Yeah, and also, like I said, something that I've been quote-unquote listening to is the Gucci Mane autobiography. I've been listening to it on Audible. And I've been listening to Trap House 3 because it's like my favorite Gucci mixtape. Is that a mixtape? Yeah, album. I don't know. It was for sale, so I guess it's an album. Girl, I don't know. But that's like my favorite one ever, so I kind of been listening to that. Because I've been, you know, I've been kind of in the mood because I've been listening to the book. So yeah, that's what I've been listening to. What have you guys been listening to for the week? On your social medias, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, go ahead and hashtag witty listens and just tell me what you've been listening to. Put it on your post, put it on my post. I want to know, okay? As always, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and like this video. Oh, I hate when I say that wrong. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as always, thank you guys so much for stopping through with me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Let's go. Work, the block, work, yeah. Hood, rich, the street, work.